one of the few Catholic movements founded in the Caribbean region is called Living Water Community. With about 700 members and with houses in 3 islands, it gives support to people in need of material or spiritual help.
I was terrified when I began that experience, and I felt the Lord speaking and saying loudly to me, "Do not be afraid, do not be afraid. I call you and I commission you tonight to go and to show the world how to love."
The founder admits she was scared, but when she felt her calling back in 1975 in Trinidad, she was ready to start this new chapter, where her main mission is to help.
We have many ministries, mainly to the poor, to the dispossessed. We have homes for cancer patients, for HIV/AIDS, for abandoned children and homeless boys, many homes like that in Trinidad.
Even though the numbers of the Living Water community may seem small, it already helped 2 bishops find their vocation as priests. One of them describes the community like finding a home inside the Catholic Church.
It's really being part of a family, and having a family that no matter what I'm doing and no matter where my duties call me and no matter where my ministry calls me, that family is my home that I will return to from time to time.
And now, with 2 new cardinals from the Caribbean region, members of the Living Water community feel even closer to the Vatican and the rest of the world. And so, it's not by chance that these islanders want to offer living water to all those who are thirsty.